Hello my dear students, hope you all are fine. In this video we will look into all the extra questions from Chapter 6 of Civics, that is Rural Administration. Rural administration means the initiatives taken up by the government to govern the public affairs of the rural population and provide the villagers or the rural people the benefits the state provides. I would suggest to read the chapter once from your NCERT book, which would really helpful for you to solve these extra questions for your upcoming exams. Dear children, now let's move into the video. Let's look into our first question. Who is Mohan and what does his family own? Mohan, he is a farmer and his family owns a small agricultural field. That means he doesn't own a big agricultural land and he is doing the farming in that small field. We have our next question. How many villages are there in India? You will be surprised to know that there are more than 6 lakh villages in India. We have our third question. Whose land is next to Mohan's land? Children, Raghu's land is next to Mohan's field in this story. Question number 4 is, what is Bandh? Bandh, as you all know, is a small boundary which separates one's land from other's land. We have in question number 5, what did Raghu do? Raghu had shifted the Bandh by a few feet and managed to took over some of Mohan's land. Question number 6, we have, whose uncle was the Sarpanch of the village? It was Raghu's uncle who was the Sarpanch of the village. Question number 7. Who refused to accept that the Bandh was moved? Raghu, who had taken some part of Mohan's field, refused to accept that he had moved the Bandh. Question number 8. Who was beaten up by whom? The answer is Mohan was badly beaten up by Raghu and his helpers. Question number 9. Who helped Mohan when he was badly hurt and how? Mohan, he was given the first aid by one of his neighbors when he was badly injured on his head and hand. As we all know, Mohan was badly beaten up by Raghu and his neighbors, they gave him the first aid. Question number 10. Who suggested that Mohan should file a report? Answer is Mohan's friend suggested that he should go to the local police station and file a report against Raghu. We have our next question as, what is the full form of SHO? The full form of SHO is Station House Officer. The person in charge who is usually in the police station is the Station House Officer. Question number 12. To whom did Mohan meet at the police station to complain about what had happened with him? Mohan met the person in charge, that is Station House Officer SHO, and complained about what had happened with him. Question number 13. What did the SHO ask Mohan? The SHO, or the station police officer, asked Mohan to write down his complaint and also told that he would send a constable the next day to investigate the incident, what had happened with him. Question number 14. Who is the head of Tehsil? The district collector is the head of the Tehsil. The districts in India is subdivided into Tehsil, and every Tehsil has a district collector as its head. Question number 15 goes, who does the work of measuring land and keeping land record? Patwari, as you can see in this picture, is a person who does the work of measuring land and keeping all the land records in the villages. Question number 16. What are the other names of Patwari by which he is known? Patwari is also known as Lekpal, Kanungo, Village Officer, and Karamchari. Question number 17. Which record of the Patwari gives information which land is owned by whom? Children, you can see in this picture, this is the picture of Khasra. That is, the Khasra record of the Patwari gives information which land is owned by whom in the villages. Question number 18. What is the other work of Patwari apart from keeping land records? The Patwari is responsible for collection of land revenue from farmers and also providing information to the government of crops grown in that particular village. Question number 19. Who supervises the work of Patwari? The senior people in the revenue department supervises the Patwari's work. Question number 20. Who are Tehsildars? The revenue officers working under district collector are known as Tehsildars. That means those who are entrusted with the work of collecting the revenue from the people living in the villages. Question number 21. Where the land disputes are heard? The land disputes are heard at Tehsildar's office. Question number 22. What does a daughter wish for? A daughter wishes a place of her own and not dowry of silk and gold. Question number 23. What is the new law that was passed in 2005? The new law that was passed in 2005 was Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. Question number 24. Where does the new law apply in our country? Children, whenever a new law comes into being, that is applicable to all the states and union territories of our country. Question number 25. What does Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005 say about Women Property Act? In the new law, sons, daughters, and their mother can get an equal share in the land. Question number 26. By what names the subdivision of a district known as? The subdivision of a district are known by different names such as Tehsil or Taluka. Dear children, if the video was helpful to you, then subscribe to my channel for more videos, share it with your friends, hit the like button, and don't forget to leave your valuable comments on my channel. Thanks for watching and keep learning.